Now in front of us we have question 4, fifth part of exercise 3.5. Form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find the solution if they exist by any algebraic method. So here I will use cross multiplication method. So what is the question? The area of rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. If we increase the length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units, the area will be increased 67 square units. So find the dimension of the rectangle. So let the length of the rectangle is x meter. X and Y. Area is length into breadth. So according to question, first condition. The area of the rectangle gets reduced by 9 units square if its length is reduced by 5. Length reduced by 5 and breadth is increased by 3. Breadth is y increased by 3. Then area will be xy minus 9. Okay, now we will solve this. This is xy plus 3x minus 5y minus 15 equals to xy minus 9. So when we will solve this, we will get 3x minus 5y equals to 6. So this is our first equation. Okay. Now second condition is if we increase length by 3 and breadth by 2. Length by 3, breadth by 2, then area will be increased 67 square units. Okay. Now we will solve this. This is xy plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 equals to xy plus 67. So 2x plus 3y equals to 61. This is second equation. Now by cross multiplication method, x equals to y equals to 1. X is b1 by b1. b1 is minus 5. 3. c1 is 6. Minus 6 minus 61 minus c1 c2 a1 is 3. a2 is 2. 3 2 minus 5 3. Now multiply this in this direction for value of x and y. So here x is minus 5 minus 61 is minus 305 minus 18 y upon 6 to the 12 minus 61 multiplied 3 is minus 183. 1 upon 9 minus 5 to the 10, that is minus 10. Now x upon minus 305 plus 18 y upon minus 12 plus 183 this is plus sign minus 5 minus 61. Now this is y upon 1 upon 19. So x upon 323. y upon 171, 1 upon 19. So now x upon 323 equals to 1 upon 90 and y upon 323 equals to 1 upon 171 upon 90. So x is equal to 19 divided by this, we will get 17, and y equals to 119, 9 ja is 171. Okay, so x is 17 units and y is 19, 9 ja 171. So here y is equal to 9 units. X is length of the rectangle, and so the length of the rectangle rectangle 17 units and breadth of the rectangle 9 units. Thank you.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.